Adventure riding isn't just about skills and gear, it's also a mental game. Fear and doubt can hold you back. Whether it's your first time off-road, tackling a new tough trail, or just worrying about dropping the bike. Trust me, I've been there. That fear, it's completely normal. But the good news is, you can overcome it. In this video, I'll break down why fear happens, how to work through it, and practical strategies to help you build confidence as an adventure rider. My name's Matt, and you're watching TSMoto Adventures. Let's get into it. Fear is something every adventure rider experiences at some point. It's completely normal. Your brain is wired to keep you safe, which means it will always assess risk and try to prevent you from getting hurt. Most fear in adventure riding comes from uncertainty. What if I drop the bike? What if I crash? What if I get stuck alone? These thoughts are natural, and trust me, I've had them myself, but you can get past them. Fear isn't a stop sign. It's just a signal that you need more time, experience, or preparation. A common mistake new adventure riders make is jumping into difficult terrain too soon. If you're not comfortable with off-road riding yet, going straight to deep sand or rocky trails is just going to feel pretty overwhelming. And when you're overwhelmed, fear tends to take over. Instead, build confidence in stages. Start with easy dirt roads, then move to tougher terrain, and gradually work up to things like rocky single track or deep sand pits. Breaking challenges into smaller steps builds familiarity, and familiarity reduces fear. Another way riders create unnecessary fear is by trying to keep up with people who are more experienced. Adventure riding isn't about speed. It's about control and confidence. Rushing through difficult terrain increases the risk of crashing, but taking your time allows you to make smarter decisions and ultimately pick better lines. Make sure you always remember to ride at your own pace too. The goal isn't to go as fast as possible. It's to finish the ride safely, feeling like you had fun. When fear kicks in, your breathing gets shallow, your grip tightens, and your body tenses up. Take a deep breath, loosen your grip on the handlebars, and focus on what's ahead, not your front tire. Your brain wants to fixate on the worst case scenario, but shifting your focus to what you can control makes a huge difference. This is why always looking the direction you want to go is key. When you target fixate, you'll ride straight for that target. I've caught myself doing this plenty of times, and reframing my focus to the trail ahead of me kept me upright and riding. Now, sometimes a short reset is all you need too. Stop for a minute, take a few deep breaths, drink some water, and continue again once you're ready. Every experienced rider has had their fair share of falls, mistakes, and moments of doubt, but they keep going. They learned from those mistakes and built confidence over time. The more you ride, the more your brain realizes that the challenges aren't as bad as they seem. Repetition builds trust in your abilities. Each time you push through fear, you prove to yourself that you can handle more than you think. Fear and doubt are normal, but they don't have to hold you back. We've talked about how fear works, ways to manage it, and how confidence grows over time. But here's the thing, you have to keep challenging yourself to improve. Stepping outside your comfort zone is necessary for growth. Just make sure you're doing it in an environment where you have support if you need it. Ride with experienced friends, take a class, or practice in a safe place before pushing yourself. The key is gradual, intentional progress. With practice, experience, and the right mindset, you can push past fear and become a more confident adventure rider. Is there a time where you managed to overcome fear on a ride? Leave a comment below. Share your story. Remember to ride safe, keep learning, and as always, it's all about the adventure.